Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your love reading. This is going to be for the people born on the 9th, 18th, or the 27th of any month. This is going to be your love reading. Let's see what's going on in your love life from now to the next 10 days of June 2021. Let me say this again. This is a reading for the people born on the 9th, 18th, or the 27th of any month, all right? Energy moves and flows. This could be your energy, the person you're dealing with, or a mix of both, all right? But it cannot and will not resonate with everyone. Let's see. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down in the description box below. All right. Let's see what's going on now. What's going on with this connection? One more shuffle. Let's go to the deck. Okay. All right. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind when it comes to this person or connection? Okay. What's on this person's mind when it comes to you or this connection? And what is... Okay. I was going to ask the current energy. You did have the Four of Wands flip out, which means you both want stability, security. What is the current situation? No talky. All right. How do you view this person? How does this person view you? How does this person view you? Okay. Why is all this happening? Why is all this happening? What action will you take towards this person moving forward in the next 10 days? What action will this person take towards you moving forward in the next 10 days? And what is the outcome for the next 10 days? All right. Clearly, there's no communication between you both. Someone's just losing the motivation, or someone's just bored right now, okay? Losing the enthusiasm to restart a connection out here. You know this person has a lot of love for you. You do. And this person now sees you as someone who wants something long term, or they want something long term with you, okay? They do see you as someone as marriage material. They do, okay? Or they could also see you as someone who's being very rigid, okay, about wanting something stable, something committed. And you see them as someone, who has a lot of emotions for you, okay, someone who's now leading with their heart. This person was emotionally shut off all this while, which is why you had to walk away from them, okay, which is why there was a lot of disappointment. You were crying over spilt milk, all right, and which is why now you're like, you know what, that's fine, never mind, over and done with it, and you're ready to move on, okay? This is moving forward is what I'm getting here. This person knows that there was a lack of equal give and take between you guys, okay? They know that something was not fair, something was not balanced. They know that they took advantage of your nature, they took advantage of the love and the emotions and the affection that you gave them. They know that. I feel this person does not have the courage right now, okay? They're procrastinating on the communication right now. Although they see you as long-term commitment, they see you as wanting that, and you know that they want to talk to you too. You know that they want a reconciliation, because that's why all this is happening. You're dealing with someone, who's very childlike. You will always have to, not always, of course, there's no always out here. You will have to, for the time being, you'll have to take care of this person like a child. Very immature energy. It's like no matter what happens in the relationship, they expect you to forgive them. They're not mature enough. They always want to be taken care of, okay? They're not the ones who like to take care, but they like to be pampered, they like to be taken care of, okay? And that's what's happening. They miss you, they want a reconciliation, they're reminiscing the past, they miss how you used to take care of them and how much you've done for them, etc. out here, okay? And they know, the realization is there that things weren't fair. With your actions, I feel you're just sticking to your belief system. Okay, I don't think you're taking any action towards them. You're sticking to your traditional methods. You're sticking to what you want. You want what you want, and that's how they see you. Very rigid, very stubborn about what you want, and what you want is stability, security, commitment. Okay, long term marriage, whatever. And and you are sticking to your beliefs. You're not changing this for anyone. All right, you're not changing your personality or your belief to accommodate this person out here. This person out here, this person could have been someone, who has a lot of dreams, and they want everything. And this person could be someone, who overthinks a lot also. Okay, that's one thing I'm getting. Very restless. This person probably lives in illusions, that they probably felt that this situation was good the way it is, and it won't ever have to change, or they won't ever have to make a choice out here. Okay, because this person has a very broad view. Okay, like I'd say that they had their options open, or this person just probably was very confused. Anything. Okay, probably they had a lot on their plate, but now they're very serious. Okay, now they're it's like boiling down to a point where they know what they want. They're seeing things for what it is. So I feel this person was not taking action all this while because they were not being realistic. Okay, like I said, go with the flow. Okay, that's like a follower, so like go with the flow kinds. But now this person knows that going with the flow is getting there nowhere, and now this person wants to come towards you. They finalize their options. You are the one that they want, and they're very sure about you, and they're having a more realistic and practical view about this, and they're ready to take action. No more procrastination. The moon in reverse is your outcome here. So I feel that if there was any kind of secrets, okay, that were there, or any kind of lack of clarity in this connection out here, everything's going to be revealed. Okay, so this person is going to tell you why they were unclear, or why there was a lack of equal give and take, why there was why there was no balance out here. Okay, so it's like whatever you, I think, what I'm getting, you could have thought of the worst. Okay, you could have thought of the worst that could have happened out here. All right, but now I feel that probably the outcome is going to be the complete opposite of what you thought. You probably thought this person had a lot of options. You probably thought that this person didn't make you a priority, or you had this one-sided perspective, okay, where you couldn't see the other side. Now when the truth is going to be revealed, okay, and what this person is going to pretty much open up and tell you what they want, you're going to realize that it wasn't really as bad as you thought it was. Okay, because that's a lot of fear, doubt that you had, because this person could have fucked up in the past, or there could have been another relationship but things were screwed up, which is why you were in a very negative zone. Okay, but I feel that either you are coming out of depression, if you were, or whatever anxiety issues, fear issues, trust issues you had, it's all going to be relieved. Okay, you're going to be releasing all that, because this person is going to come towards you and they're going to give you clarity. Now this clarity could come from this person, it could come indirectly, it could come through your intuition, it could come just through the universe. Okay, but there is going to be clarity by the end of the next 10 days out here. Okay, and whatever it is going to make you feel more stress free. Okay, you're going to sleep better, and the truth will set you free, is what I'm getting here. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.